Thank you very much, Sir G, for the very nice and inspiring introduction. Babawi ako. Si Sir Joseph Sangami ang aming Ricardo Dalisay ng batch 1997. Diba? Kilala na natin lahat yun. And thank you, Ma'am Rona, for giving pride to our batch. The most energetic director, Engineer Ricio E. Pascual, sir. The very hard-working principal, Sir Jaime Amadeo Pascual. To our municipal mayor, Honorable Marvin Silao. To our hard-working teachers, parents, members of the graduating class, wala palang graduating, completers, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to each and everyone. Time has come for me to stand before you, which was beyond my expectation. Although it was my wish some years ago when I was young like you. I'm deeply honored having been invited as your guest speaker this school year 2016-2017. I hope my presence and the message I have to deliver will mean its purpose. Ready na ba kayo? 7 minutes lang po. 7 minutes and 2 hours. Joke lang. As I see you young boys and girls, I'm reminded of my golden days in this school, whom I considered precious strands of my life. Yes, because it is here where I begin to build what I am today. It is here where I developed strong determination and told myself that I'll be a professional someday, no matter what. As young as that, I built elusive dreams whom I considered my goal. My teachers, parents, friends were part of those hopes and aspirations. To my teachers, Sir Ricio, Ma'am Marcos, Ma'am Seni, yung kaapelido ko nung dalaga ako, Ma'am Biag. Oo, wala kaming hates noon, pero meron kaming kulis, si Sir Robert. Thank you very much. You provided me the strongest weapon, which is self-confidence, through your love and care. To Sir Bricio, who always wanted us to be in school before 7 o'clock in the morning and 1 o'clock in the afternoon. To teachers who made us the duck walk when we do not have assignments. I realized that this was your way of developing us into disciplined and worthy persons. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Experience, they say, is the best teacher. And I have 2 salient points to tell you based on my experience. First, success is never achieved by daydreaming and wishful thinking. The key to success is hard work and perseverance. Just like what I've said 20 years ago in my salutatory address, let me share to you ang sinabi ng isang pilosopong Ilocano. Itaw na sadot, uray ang tudo ti balito, haan nga makapidot. Second, have faith in yourself. Always believe that you can make it. You deserve it and you will get it. This occasion is a decisive milestone, especially at your very young stage. Yet, whatever path you may choose to take, always strive for excellence. Always strive hard to rise from oblivion. Madilain nga puro tagtalainit, masapol mitlang itiaramid. Let me share to you. May isang mama na nakapulot ng itlog. Dahil sa may manungan siya, pinulot niya yung itlog at isinama sa mga itlog na kasalukuyang hinahalihiman ng inahin. So sa madaling sabi, ito ay naging sisiw. So from then, sama-sama lang siya sa mga kasama niyang sisiw, kung saan sila mapunta at kung saan sila mapatpad. Pero isang araw, hinabol sila ng pusa. Hindi ba yung sisiw ang liliit ng hakbang? Pahak-hak lang sila. So, itong napisang itlog na to, nag-effort siya para makaligtas. Yung takbo niya, sabay kampay ng kanyang mga pakpak, siya ay nakalipad. So, nalaman niya na siya pala ay may potential at siya pala ay isang agila. So, bakit ko ito sinasabi sa inyo? Kasi minsan, mababa ang tingin natin sa ating mga sarili. Akala natin tayo ay isa lamang sisiw. Hindi natin iniisip na pwede pala tayong maging isang agila. So, develop and use your potentials. Gamitin nyo para sa katuparan ng inyong mga pangarap. Lagi niyong tatandaan ang mga bagay na sasabihin ko bilang maging sandata sa mga susunod niyo pang susuungin sa inyong mga buhay. Una, pagmamahal sa Diyos. Lahat ng gagawin ay naaayon sa kanyang aral at kagustuhan. Pangalawa, determinasyon. Huwag panghinaan ng loob, kundi laging magtiwala sa inyong mga sarili. Pangatlo, pagpupunyagi at katapatan. Maging tapat sa sarili at magsikap para maabot ang tugatog ng tagumpay. If you put this at heart and in reality, then you are doing your part as worthy citizens of the new millennium. Sabay-sabay na hakbang tungo sa maunlad na kinabukasan. Ito ang tema natin ngayong taong panuruan 2016-2017. Yes, my dear young completers, sa puntong ito, simula bukas, kayo ay mga bago ng kabataan sa bagong milenyo. Dapat ninyong tandaan at isaisip na ang mga bagong hamon sa ating bayan ay hindi dapat ipagwalang bahala. Huwag maghalukit-kit. Gisingin ninyo ang inyong diwa at damdamin sapagkat kayo ang tutugon sa nakatantang panawagan ni God Jose Rizal na ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. This is the right time, my dear young completers, to test your capabilities in meeting any kind of challenges that will throw to your shoulders. Don't wait to accomplish big things for you to call great. One can be called great or a hero in his own right. Do things without expecting in return. Be a Samaritan always. Strive to live an upright and virtuous lifestyle as young Filipino. Kada kayumet nga padak na gannak nga nagpaturpos kadagiti anak yo, itinasantuan nga daw, ayan ko apo timangted itinapudot ken maysa nga ismarte nga saludo kada kayo. Nga uray kasano iti kinagurapay iti adda pinagbiag tayo, intalawirid yo dagiti anak yo, ti pagadalan inggan makalpas, iti namato a pagadalan. Sapay uma, ta italawirid yo pa'y ida, inggan na di da makalpas, ti kurso nga kayadda. Tapno ti kasta, ingkay magudod iti obligasyon kadakwada bilang may nga naganap. Buti po kayo, mga meron ng completers. Ako po magsisimula pa lang. proud na proud po ako na maging kapamilya o naging kapamilya ng Makabulos Memorial High School. Ang aking pong anak ay papasok grade 7, officially enrolled at Makabulos Memorial High School. In parting, I would like to extend my profound and sincerest gratitude to the people behind this school for having given me this opportunity as your guest speaker. Ato ako ang salamat, itingay inted nga talek kinya ken konfiansa. To the graduates, my warmest congratulations to each and everyone. Mabuhay ang Makabulos Memorial High School! Mabuhay tayong